down. Don't, please don't do that.
You're wounded. I can fix that.
Where were you? I was worried sick. Sorry. I'm sorry for being selfish. In captivity, some go insane.
There is speculation that the disappearance is connected to the unsolved murders of 3 other girls over the past 4 years.
Sweetheart, you can't just change the rules because someone's shown an interest. Maybe I've been too soft on you.
You're a good person, Lo.
You don't know me.
I know that people make mistakes. Can you keep a secret?
He doesn't love you. He can't love.
You're sick,
Do you think it's me?
and it overpowered you. I want you to tell me that you didn't do it.
How can you ask me that?
I'm not who I say I am. I know you'll understand. Because we're the same.